Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the park assist, also known as Parktronik, fuses and relays are located, where you can guys find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the park assist, also known as Parktronik fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer here what we guys need to do now. We'll get to a fuse box that's not so easy to reach. We need to open the driver door, then come to the driver's side footwell compartment. Look behind the parking brake paddle, up in the dash on the left side, guys. You will notice a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out. You will find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here we need to first check one fuse. Now here, if we zoom in, guys, where do we need to go? That's the very top row here. That's fuse 1 through 18. Then that's fuse 19 through 29, and this is 29. This is 30 through 39. So here, if you come now, okay, after the relay, that's fuse 33, 34. Fuse number 34 is the one that you will, guys, need to check. What about relay? You don't have a relay, you just have that fuse that's known as a relay fuse that you need to check. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.